The Bishopsgate project was really special for us. We bought a listed Victorian shopfront back from site to Donington, and Mike and George really used their craft, those joinery skills that don't tend to get used on modern window production, and yeah, what the result is pretty special. We're about the long term as well. We don't want to do anything that lasts 5 years, 10 years and then has to be done again. Windows should last at least 60 years. That's the minimum standard now for timber, and ours I expect to last a lot longer than that. Everything that we're doing at the moment is to ensure there is no weaknesses and they last for as long as possible. And to me that's good value for the customer, and it's the right thing for the environment.